done to be as successful as we've been, so you can do it. You can do it in a very systematic, timely manner and get into profit as soon as possible.
Absolutely, and it's not just the system of blogging, folks. We're going to show you how to get a tremendous amount of traffic, and we're going to show you how to do it regardless of whether you're a grandma, and we love grandmas in the Empower Network because they can make as much money and more money than anybody, because I'll tell you there's nothing more motivating than somebody who's 80, 90 years old and starting to make the big money for the first time in their entire life. Sure. So we don't just have a system of getting traffic. You don't have to design anything. You don't have to edit anything here. All you've got to do is learn the very simple skill of blogging, which you can actually learn in about an hour as soon as you get your Empower Network membership and get in the back office. Sure. But it's also the system of getting money. And this is the beautiful thing, because I had this magical realization actually in my business. It was actually about 4 months ago now. I had been stuck in my business. Now, this is going to make some of you a little bit mad, because you're like, well, that's not a bad place to be stuck. I was stuck at around $30,000 to $40,000 a month. Yeah. Stuck. I was like, man, I cannot make more money than this. I started making money, and then I got stuck at $30,000 to $40,000 a month. Now, granted, it's not a bad place to be stuck in the mountains of Costa Rica, traveling all over the world, winning every competition. It's not a bad place to be stuck, all right? But the reality is I was still stuck. And I made one discovery, and my income went to $3,000 to $5,000 a day in like a month, right? And so you're probably wondering, well, what's the discovery? And probably some of you are wondering, well, how'd you get to $30,000 a month? Just tell me that, But let me tell you the discovery that I made. It was a discovery that is called a scalable business model. It's a really simple, actually, concept. It's a concept I've heard people talk about, and I just never understood it. A scalable business is a business that essentially has the profit margins that operate properly, Dave, to where somebody can get in business and reinvest a percentage of their profits back into the business and then exponentially grow the business. So most, for example, in network marketing, they're not scalable businesses. They rely on exponential growth from a downline doing stuff. Well, that's great, and teams are great. And I have big teams in network marketing, all right, because I love network marketing industry. But the reality is it's not scalable, because no matter how that gets, I can't reinvest profits quickly enough to grow my own business exponentially. I got to essentially rely on my team to do it, all right? Whereas I discovered that in marketing, if you're making 100% commissions, which is my discovery with scalable business models, it's really easy if you make $500 to reinvest $200 back into a business. It's not the same as taking $200 out of your pocket and putting it in to start a business. You're actually making $500 and just taking $200 and reinvesting it back to make $1,000. Really easy if you've got a good business with good math, with good metrics. We're going to teach you how to do this as a part of the Empower Network. In other words, Dave, I made a discovery. There's two ways of growing an income. One way is you just keep working and working and working and working and hope it exponentially takes off. And you know as well as I do that's a little bit miserable. It just is not very fun to do, because you're just praying that it takes off. And the other way is this. Maybe you're new in this business and you've never made a lot of money in your entire life. So you get involved in the Empower Network, you decide to make a decision, you get involved, all right? You get involved, you make $200, you say, you know what, I'm going to do the business person thing. Just this one time, I'm going to take this whole $200, I'm going to put it back in my business. And you fail in your advertising. But then you know what you say, I'm going to make another $200 for free. You go out there, do some free marketing, make another $250. You put $200 more back in, you figure out something that works. All of a sudden, that $200 brings in $800. And then you know what you do the smart business thing. You say, you know what, I'm going to go out to dinner, I'm going to do some nice things with my family. If I'm going to take $300 of this, I'm going to reinvest it back in my business, right? Then all of a sudden you make $1,500. Then you say, you know what, I'm going to do the smart thing. I'm going to take $500 of the $1,500, I'm going to reinvest it back into marketing. Then all of a sudden you pull in $5,000. Then you say, you know what, Dave, I'm going to do the smart thing. I'm going to pull in $1,500 out of this $5,000. I'm going to go, take a cruise off in the Bahamas too. I mean, don't get me wrong here. I'm going to have some fun, right? But I'm going to take $1,500 and put it back in my business. Then all of a sudden you make $8,000, and then you take $3,000, and then you make $15,000. Then all of a sudden you're making $3,000 a day. And I swear, now this obviously is an income promise, because we obviously make money recommended this stuff. So does everybody in our organization, right? We can't make promises. But with scalable models, you can actually go from $0 to $5,000 a day, and I promise you it's true. You can do it. It is possible to do in a scalable business model. That was my discovery. But that can't be replicated, because you got to set up a product, and you got to know how to sell, and you got to understand technology, and you got to know WordPress, and you got to hire a team of outsourcers, and you got to have a lot of money to even do it. People don't have the money. So I said, I want to take this proven scalable business model and just put it into people's hands. Just give it to them. Sure. Not even sell it to them, Dave. I want to just give it to them for only $25. And that's actually how we came out with this concept of the Empower Network viral blogging system. All right, sure. To where you can get involved today. automatically have a system in place. Let us do the sound. Let us develop the marketing funnels. And then as you evolve and as you get better, we actually want to borrow your skill, put it into this system, make it even more powerful through the power of you. But in the meantime, let's have you make an exponentially growing business that you control. Isn't that powerful?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I got to tell you that the beautiful part about what he was just talking about is that we're actually leading by example. If you watched the previous video, maybe you've been clicking around, you know, under the leadership tab, we talked about leading by example. We talk about that in all of our videos and all of our training. The reason why we talk about that is because we actually lead with example. We actually invested our money into Empower Network. We've done this over and over again, and we do it on a daily basis. But here's really what you need to go away from this video remembering, is that if you want to get in